Good morning, guys. Come on. Walking the dog before I go to work. Today's March 1st, and it's another beautiful, beautiful day. We're supposed to have like in the 70s all this next week. Through the weekend and all next week. And have some beautiful weather. And I gotta go to work. I got tomorrow off, so I might be able to enjoy it tomorrow. So there's Sierra. Say good morning, Sierra. Say good morning, Sierra. Come on. Come on. I gotta buy a lawnmower. Something I gotta buy. I got this big yard to take care of. Pretty big. A couple weeks ago from the cold, the grass all was brown and nasty looking, but now it's starting to look a little bit better. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Look at that beautiful sky. We live near the airport, so there are a lot of times so you can hear planes going by. I just love this corner lot. It's very, very nice. You gotta trim these hedges up. Come on. Come on. Gotta trim all the hedges up. Make it look nice. The palm tree is doing good. We'll get closer to that. This is such a nice, quiet neighborhood. So we've been in Florida for 4 years now. February was the month that we came here 4 years ago. The best move that I ever made. I miss all my Michigan friends and family, but I truly know it was the best thing for us. This is going to be our first full year here. We don't have access to a pool now. I am going to miss that, but this yard's big enough that if I wanted to put a pool in someday, I have plenty of room. I want to fence in the yard. I gotta have that looked into. Get a privacy fence put up. That'll be interesting. So I get to work from 9:30 to 5:30 today, and I got Friday off, and I need to have the car checked out. I'm gonna go have the car checked out, have them do AC check and check all the hoses and belts, and probably have a transmission tune-up check, filter changed, all that. Well, everybody have a great day. It's a great day to be in Florida. It's outside today. So whoever's got the day off and gets to be outside, enjoy, you lucky people. Look at the palm tree. My palm tree's growing. It's all nice and healthy. Looking beautiful. Growing. Got some new growth coming. There's some new growth. So that's cool. Alright, guys. Have a great day.